Welcome to PICLITE News. It's about 30 million people affected by COVID-19 today. We don't know what's going to happen for tomorrow. So in this day, every day was important for everyone, especially get together with family and friends. How about Taiwan? There are 3 important special days in Taiwan. First, New Year holiday, and then Festival of Dragon Boat. The number 3 is the Moon Festival. How about Moon Festival? People in this day, they are eating the moon cake and the special fruit which is called pomelo. And I'm going to show you what is pomelo. And this day is special for family get together and barbecue together. So I'm going to show surprise to my parents, and some of them know my parents, so let's go to see them. Let's go. Let's go.
这只是谁呀？
这一只哦，我只把它叫来了。Million 不是啊，这 TT 啊。
TT。
This is my father, Mr. Chang. And he take care of all the farm from the door there up to the mountain there. And this is the place he take care. This is a small fish, so I can catch them directly, but the big one cannot. You have to use the net. This is pomelo. So we always choose the yellow one. When it turn yellow, we can eat pomelo. Okay? Good. This is the banana tree. I'm going to take his leaf as our plate for food. This is the shrimp, and this is the beef, and the fish there. So later, after finish barbecue this, then we will cook this. This is today barbecue, and we are going to have a dinner here with my father and mother, Mr. Chang and Miss Lin. And we
Hi.
in Taiwan culture, it meaning beauty, pure, smoothly, and happiness. Just like our product. Our product has 3 sizes: big size, medium size, and small size, with 3 colors: red, amber, and white.
This reflector with lights comes with 2-inch and 2.5-inch. The material is acrylic lens, ABS base, FMVSS 108, SAE code AP2P3. Thank you for watching. Happy Moon Festival!